Welcome to Draeger's web-based training. This training is designed to give a presentation on the features and benefits of Draeger sensors used for gas detection. This tutorial contains proprietary company confidential information, some of which consists of subjective opinions and observations. This document is intended for Draeger employees and channel partners only. The completion of this tutorial does not relieve you from reading and understanding the current versions of the instructions for use and the technical documentation associated with the relevant device. The following topics will be covered: common terms used in sensor technology, an overview of the types of sensors, various application uses for the sensors. This training has been designed for our regional sales managers and channel partners to give them an introduction into Draeger sensors. The training will last about 50 minutes. However, you are able to navigate using the table of contents to the left at any time. In addition to the table of contents on the left, the menu below provides navigation options as well. Push the pause button to pause the presentation, and click the same button to restart the presentation. To skip ahead in the presentation, click on the forward and back buttons to advance to the next section. The presentation can also be muted by pushing the mute button. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please feel free to email cptraining@draeger.com. Draeger has been working with gases for 125 years and gas detection for almost 75 years. Draeger's first patent was for a pressure reduction system called the Lubecka valve. With its introduction, for the first time, it was now possible to precisely control the removal of carbon dioxide from a high-pressure tank. The heart of every gas detector is its sensor. The sensor is crucial in determining the quality of measurements, and therefore, it has a fundamental influence on the safety of the user. Simply put, a gas detector is only as good as its sensor. The development and production of sensors is part of Draeger's core competency. Almost 40 years ago, Draeger released its first-generation oxygen sensor. Draeger's first multi-gas measuring instrument came just a few years later. Today, Draeger offers a multi-gas measuring instrument that can measure up to 6 different gases at the same time, and an oxygen sensor that has an expected life of over 5 years. Draeger's innovation and development of new technology hasn't stopped there. On average, Draeger files over 1 patent application per week, with 260 patents filed globally in 2013 and 2014 combined. The most recent additions to Draeger's line of gas detection solutions has been the X-Dock test station and the X-Zone 5500. The X-Dock is an all-in-one calibration and test station for Draeger gas detectors that can reduce gas consumption due to reduced test times and volume flow. Over 1,000 tests are possible with one 58-liter cylinder. Over 2,000 tests with a 112-liter cylinder.